Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Poolife Super Algae Bomb 60. Poolife Super Algae Bomb 60 Algaecide is the strongest Poolife liquid algaecide available. It is a non-foaming algaecide used to treat or prevent algae formation and growth in swimming pools, exterior spas, whirlpools, hot tubs, decorative fountains, and synthetically lined ponds that do not contain fish. It is also ideal for winterizing your pool in the off-season. Product benefits: strongest Poolife liquid algaecide available. Non-foaming. Treats and prevents algae formation and growth in swimming pools, spas, and decorative fountains. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.